So hey guys, thank you for coming to watch another video. If you're new here, my name is Tyler, also known as KNOTSNCURLS. But in today's video, I'm showing you guys exactly how I install my mini twist. And I'm talking about from me washing my hair to me actually putting the mini twist in my head. Now this entire process is super simple. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I did that, how my hair turns out, then definitely keep on watching. So jumping straight into the video, as you can see, I pretty tangled my hair before just so that I could speed up the wash day portion. So the first thing that I like to do is fully saturate my hair with water. I do have low porosity hair, which means that my hair tends to take a longer time to soak up moisture in general. Next, it's shampooing time. So I use this Rosewater cleanser from Palmer's. It's their Natural Fusions collection. I did only have a little bit of the product left, so I shampooed twice, once with this product just on the scalp, and then in the next clip you're gonna see that I used raw African black soap. So I focused the previous shampoo on my scalp, and then I'm using the African black soap for the rest of my hair. I did have hair wax paint, I think it was blue or green. If you guys seen my previous video, then you would see that I had hair wax paint in my hair. So the shampoo, the black African soap as shampoo, is just an added extra defense against that to ensure that I rinse all the product out and I'm starting with fresh, clean scalp and hair for the slow manipulation and protective hairstyle. I went in with the conditioner from the same collection of Palmer's, and I don't necessarily like the nozzle on the conditioner. I can see the benefit of using it on the shampoo, but for the conditioner it was just too much stress to get that product out of the bottle. But besides that, the conditioner itself is really great. I would recommend using it on semi-detangled hair because I don't think it would work as amazingly on matted hair, but that's just my personal opinion. But I did that on every section of my hair. I applied the conditioner, detangled it again with my Tangle Teaser brush and rinsed it out. Then I applied this Curl Hydrate conditioner from Tresemme. This is one of my favorite conditioners, and I used it in replacement of a deep conditioner. I just applied the conditioner, left it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, rinsed it out, and then moved on to my next step. So my final steps are just to apply some moisture with products. I use the Afro Sheen oil and the Afro Sheen leave-in spray conditioner, and I just like to apply some type of moisture from products as soon as I finish washing my hair because it allows my hair to soak it up a lot better than if my hair was dry. So now we're on to the installation of my mini twist. I'm using the Lush Fro Butter from Afro Sheen. They should sponsor me because I use a lot of their products in this video, but this product smells amazing. It smells like vanilla and cocoa butter. I hope I gave a good description, but it smells amazing. I prefer to start my mini twist off with a braid, so I braid the roots about 1 to 2 inches down, and then I rope. So that's basically it. The same process over and over. Apply some of the balm, braid the roots about 1 to 2 inches down, and then rope twist all the way down to the ends. Also, rope twists help with elongation, so if you're looking for a protective style where you can show off your length, then this is the balm for that. So that was one section down. Then this was halfway throughout the process. And finally, I had a quarter more to go. And I was ready for it to be over, let's be honest. That took a lot longer than I expected. So I was finally finished. Well, yeah, mostly I was finally finished. I was super tired, as you can see. It took me 5 hours to complete this hairstyle. 5 hours, yeah. So this is, I'm showing you a 360, the sides, the back. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of the same Afro Sheen oil onto my hands. I'm just using that to seal in any extra moisture that I just applied, so sealing the balm a little bit. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I applied some mousse to the roots mainly, and I also brought it along the rest of my hair, but I was focusing mainly on the roots because I wanted to keep down any flyaways that could possibly be there. So hey guys, today's probably like the 3rd day, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys the results. I just wasn't in the mood to film, and today I feel kind of sick, but I wanted to get this over with. But this is what the two started looking like. I had my hair tied down for the majority of the time. Like, this part is flat because I put the scarf there. But yeah, this is what my twists look like. I put some beads here and there. I didn't put it everywhere because I didn't have all those beads, but I put some beads here and there. As you can see, my hair is a little bit curly because I did put it in a low bun and a high bun. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Show you guys the back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, share, I don't know, tell me what other videos you want me to film. But yeah.